We're here today on this project in the New Forest. The customer was interested in a solar PV system to cut down on our energy costs, and more importantly, she was interested in backup, being in a really rural area. So we have 16 panels on the roof, facing east and west, creating a 7.2 kilowatt system. This will generate over 6,000 kilowatt hours a year. With that, we have a Sigenergy battery storage system. This is a hybrid system that's going to store any excess energy to enable them to use at night and to help in the event of a power cut. As you can see, these panels are orientated in portrait and landscape. This is so we could maximise the usable area of the roof so they can generate more energy. These panels are SunPower panels, 450 watt, and they're all black. SunPower panels come with a 30 or 40 year service warranty. This means if anything was to happen to these panels inside of that warranty, SunPower will pay a partner like ourselves to go to site and replace the panel completely free of charge. This gives the customer complete peace of mind. So we've got Sigenergy battery storage around the corner. Let's go and have a look. And here you can see the Sigenergy hybrid battery system. You can see the DC cables running down from the roof in a black conduit, the AC isolator by the side. This particular system has a 5 and 8 kilowatt hour battery storage unit. The part on the top is the inverter. This ranges from 3 to 12 kilowatts on a single phase system. The good thing about Sigenergy is you can oversize the inverter by 100%, so you could have up to 24 kilowatts of solar on a 12 kilowatt inverter. These battery modules are stackable and interchangeable, so as we have a 5 and 8 kilowatt hour here, you could create up to 6 different stacks of additional sizes, creating a maximum of 48 kilowatt hours of storage. The Sigenergy system also has inbuilt AI. This means it can communicate with flexible tariffs like Flux and other Octopus tariffs, as well as learning your usage and the patterns you use in your home, so it can charge and discharge intelligently when it needs to without you having to intervene. It also learns your usage pattern, knowing when to charge and discharge off peak, maximising your savings. The Sigenergy's got some great safety features. It's got Aerogel insulation pads, a fire extinguisher built in, just for that extra peace of mind. The Sigenergy also comes with a whole home backup. This is optional, but on this particular installation, we fitted one. Let's go around and take a look. Here we have the Sigenergy Backup Gateway. This enables the solar and battery to run the home in the event of a power cut. One of the main reasons this customer selected this system was because they have a lot of power cuts out in the New Forest. They have essential water supplies going to the house and to cattle, which obviously do not work when there's a power cut. Since installing the system, they've had a power cut, and she was so impressed the system actually managed to run all day with the solar continuing to charge the battery and run the pumps from the water borehole to supply the cattle in the house. So this system, generating over 6,000 kilowatt hours a year, coupled with battery storage, is going to save the customer over £1,200 a year.